Welcome to our channel. Okay, today we are going to discuss about terminating or non-terminating decimals. Okay, what is inside of an atom? So we discuss some parts, and after this video I will do the next part of the chemistry lesson, what is inside atom. Okay, today we will discuss about terminating or non-terminating decimals in mass. Okay, before we discuss about the introduction of real numbers, number systems. Okay, now in that rational numbers we discussed, and in that rational numbers these are two types: terminating or non-terminating, recurring and both non-recurring decimals. Now first of all, take a look on terminating decimals. So first of all, what are terminating decimals? Let us discuss. Terminating decimals. Okay, the decimals, the digits in the decimals that are to be end, means we have one, the remainder will be 0 at the terminating decimals. The digits in that decimal number having end is called terminating decimals. Now let us take some examples. First of all, should write the definition. Okay, the digits in the decimal having end are called terminating decimals. So what is that end and what are terminating decimal examples? Now we will discuss. Now, so let us take one example, 7 by 16. Okay, let us take one example, 7 by 16. Okay, here 16 is the divisor and 7 is the dividend. Okay, 16 is the divisor and 7 is the dividend. Now, so we can divide 16 7. Okay, here 7 is not a multiple of 16, so we can keep here 0 and point and keep here 0. Okay, okay, now 16 4s are 64 is the nearest multiple. Here keep 6. Okay, 16 4s are 64, it's the nearest multiple of 70. Now 70 minus 64 6. Now, so we already kept here point, so keep here 0. Okay, now 60, what is the nearest multiple here? 16 3s are 48. 60 minus 48 12, and here also we can keep 0 because we already kept here point. Now what is the nearest multiple here? 7. No, 16 7s are 112. No, 112 minus 120 minus 112 8. Okay, 8, and also keep here 0 again. Okay, now 16 5s are 80. See, in this example, the digits in the decimal have ended and we have remained 0. Okay, 7 by 16 we can write in P by Q form 0.4375. Okay, this is terminating decimals. So we have end here, the remainder is 0. Okay, and now we discuss about non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals. So not a big difference from terminating, but still some difference. The digits in the decimals having no end means the decimal not has could be not completed, it is still we are calculating and still is going on. Okay, provide the definition. Okay, the digits in the decimals having no end. Okay, now take some examples of non-terminating decimals. Okay, now take some examples of non-terminating decimals. Takes in that non-terminating also we have recurring and non-recurring. Okay, recurring, non-recurring. So about recurring and non-recurring we will discuss now in the examples. First of all, take example of recurring decimal. Now take example recurring 2 by 3. Here 3 is the divisor and 2 is the dividend. Now we can divide 2. Here 2 is a not multiple of 3 and 0 point. So 3 6 are 18 is the nearest to 20. And again 2 same 0, 3 6 are 18. And again will come to 0, 3 6 are 18. And still it is going on, there is no end. So 0.6666 like that only, same number only 6, that number only still going on, there is no end. So we can write this in this way. So in this situation we can write 0.666 like 0.6 bar. So 0.6 bar means this number is still going on, there is no end. So this is recurring decimals, the digits that have bar, that is only one number is repeating. So one or two numbers is repeating all. So which has bar, okay, is called recurring decimal. Non-terminating recurring decimals. Now 2-3 numbers are still repeating, that have bars. So up bars is there means recurring. So up bars not there means non-recurring. Now let us see one example of non-recurring. Let's do an example of non-recurring. Okay, so non-recurring. So take an example that of non-recurring decimal means the decimals which have no bar. Okay, the examples of non-terminating and non-recurring decimals could not be in the fraction type. It is in the square root, root 2, root 3. So the square root which are not a perfect squares, that all are non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. So root 2 we can express as 1.414 like that. So there is no bar, different numbers are repeating. Okay, so this is the example of non-terminating decimals, and let us look out how to change the p by q form into division form and division form into p by q form. So we have this one exercise in the state book, 9th state book. So take your book and let us look on the exercise 1.1, 7th and 8th problems. So we have 7th problem, express each of the following decimals in p by q form where p is not equal to 0 and p, q are integers. So they first given 0.36. First they given 0.36. So here they asked that 0.36 should be converted into p by q form. Okay, after point there are two numbers, means so in this unit we have tens means we can write by 10, and here hundredths means by 100. We can write this 36 by 100. Okay, so when here they will give 366 means we can write 366 by 100, but they asked only 366 by 1000. This place is a thousands place. They asked only 0.36, and now we can cancel this number also, means so 2 with 2 we can cancel. So with 4 also we can cancel, 4 9 36 and 4 2 8 4 5 t means 9 by 25 will come in the p by q form. Okay, and they given 15.4. So here they given 15.4. So 15.4 we can express as 154 by 10, means So after point there is only one place, that is only one place, means 10th place. And so we can cancel this number also, means 2 5 are 10 and 2 7 are 14, 2 7 are 14, 77 by 5. Okay, and 10.25, they asked third problem, 10.25. So after point we have two digits, so 10th place and 100th place, means 1025 by 100, there are two digits is there, means 100, and we can cancel this number also. Five to 10, and we can give here 0, 5 5 are 25, and 5 to 20s are, and 5 4s are, 5 1s are, and 5 4s are, means 41 by 4. So we can convert in shortly. Okay, and fourth they given 3.25, 3.25. So 3.25, 325 by 100. So after point there is only two digits, and we can write this as 5 20s are, 5 6 are 30, and 5 5 25, 5 4 are 20, 5 1 are 5, 5 3 are 13 by 4. We can write this as 13 by 4. And now let's see a 8th problem. Express each of the following decimal number in the P by Q form. This is somewhat tricky. We can see, and let's see the 8th problem in the exercise 1 point. So first problem here given 0.5 bar, means 0.555. So take x as 0.555. First of all, take x is equal to 0.55555. So after point there is the bar is in only in the first 5 in only one number, means after point we have only one number in the bar place, and we can take multiply this 0.5. So this is equation 1, multiply equation 1 with 10, means x is equal to 0.5555. So we will multiply 10, we have 10x is equal to, when we multiply 10 into x and 10x, after multiplying 10, the decimal place will, one point of decimal place will move to that side, we have 5.5555, like that will come. And now subtract equation 1 from equation 2, this is equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 from 2. So what is here equation 1? This means x equal to 0.55555. Sorry, equation 1 from equation 2 means 10x equal to 5.5555, and equation 2 x is equal to 0.555. So we can write here any number of digits we want. Now subtract 10x minus x, 9x equal to 5.000. So 9x is equal to, here I will write 9x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 by 9. Okay friends, this is about changing of this in the form of bar form, means non-terminating decimal into P by Q form, and we discussed terminating decimal how will turn into P by Q form. Okay friends, this is our today's class. Next video we will discuss about the what is inside of an atom lesson. And if you like this video, press like button and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your family members and friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next class. Bye friends.